We are TEAM16 STEM course labs. We aim to provide interactive online labs for science, technology, engineering, and mathematical courses. Our first interview yielded our first aha moment, and it was with a professor who stressed the importance of providing labs that fail so students learn debugging skills. He also stressed that he wanted the system to also grade the labs because his pain was shortage of time. He wants to focus on students that need the help, not those that could do the lab. The second interview was with a lab equipment vendor. His company had created boards that did not work to illustrate how to use their equipment to detect the errors, but they did not have an efficient way of delivering training for their users. This led us to discover that lab equipment vendors would be a customer segment. We spoke with another vendor, and they were so excited about the opportunity of putting their labs online that they donated a $3,000 lab experiments for us to incorporate into our gallery of labs. Next week, after that, we went to a conference, an international conference, where we spoke to professors and students from Canada, Honduras, Colombia, Argentina, Ecuador, Peru, Portugal, France, and Africa. We learned that outside of the United States, the funding model for universities is very different. There, the student only pays tuition in most cases and does not buy a textbook, nor do they pay extra fees for lab courses. So, the university gets around this by purchasing a number of textbooks or ebooks for each class, and the students go to the library to check it out. So, we learned that librarians would be a major customer, while the e-learning center directors in the United States would be our major customer in the United States. And to some extent, students would be buying directly licenses from us. From this, we explored and we have found 3 customer segments: academia, lab equipment vendors, and we suspect, but we haven't confirmed yet, that textbooks and ebooks publishers would be our third vendor to explore. So we have to get out of the office and explore.